Today we're going to see American Air Force B-1 Lancer bombers conducting emergency diversion familiarisation training at RAAF Base Darwin. This is part of the interoperability between Australian and United States Air Force aircraft, and they would have come from conducting multi-role exercises in the Northern Australian airspace. They've come all the way from Diego Garcia over in the Indian Ocean and come over to Australian airspace to meet up with Royal Australian Air Force aircraft to conduct missions which might include air-to-air refuelling or surveillance data transmission. So when one aircraft can provide a different aircraft information about what they're seeing either in the ocean or on the ground. The great thing about these particular aircraft is their range and their payload. Of all the different aircraft in the United States Air Force bomber fleet, the B-1 Lancer has the largest payload of both guided and unguided regular munitions. They are conducting air-to-air refuelling operations with the Australian Air Force KC-30 multi-role tanker transport aircraft. The first time we saw this aircraft come into Australia was in 1995, and they've been conducting activities here until as recently as last year, where there was an aircraft that participated in Exercise Lubai, which was a combined Australian and United States exercise in the Northern Territory, working with the US Marine Corps and the Australian Army. It is common for United States aircraft to operate from RAAF Base Darwin, and as part of the United States Force Posture Initiative, we have seen the United States enhance some facilities around the bases in Northern Australia to allow them to use them as logistics hubs moving forward. This is just one example of United States Air Force aircraft coming in and getting a familiarisation with the base should they need to operate out of here into the future. The team that we have here on RAAF Base Darwin really enjoy working with our brothers in arms from the United States. Having the US Marine Corps operate out of here on a rotational basis for the past 10 years allows us to build that camaraderie that our forebears would have had before back in World War II. It is a really proud moment to be able to work with different nations, and not only the US, we work with a lot of like-minded partners at RAAF Base Darwin, the US of course being our strongest ally and one that is the most significant for the Australian defence relationship.